Welcome to Armstrong Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. Tonight, guys, I want to talk about Ethereum and what's happening with it. I'm here in Mexico City, as you guys know, for my fight. I'm not fighting this guy, I'm fighting somebody else. But I will be fighting Friday night. You guys can check it out, karate.com. But what I want to say here is Ethereum just hit $3,000. And this is a big moment for Ethereum. It took Ethereum a while, to get to $3,000 in the last cycle. And then when it got there, peaked at 4,000 and only had another 25% to go. 33% to go. But now, Ethereum's got a lot more to go, I believe. And I believe that we have seen the peak of Bitcoin dominance in the cycle. I think we've already seen it. I don't think the Bitcoin halving is going to push it up higher than it is. I think what we're going to see is we're going to see some consolidation for Bitcoin here between $50,000 and $55,000 probably. And Ethereum, I think, is going to continue to run, guys. I think Ethereum, I don't have a number to tell you. I can't tell you Ethereum's going to 4,000 or 3,500 or whatever the case may be. But what I can tell you is that I do believe that we're going to see Ethereum start to make up a lot of ground on Bitcoin in its, in the ETH versus Bitcoin dominance here. Now, this is something really important to understand is Ethereum starts pumping. I think this is when we're going to start seeing a lot of these coins that haven't really started pumping yet start to move. Those Ethereum profits are going to start moving into, obviously, XRP, BNB, Cardano, Chainlink, Dogecoin. Don't sleep on Dogecoin, SHIB. I think these are all going to start seeing some of these investments. Whereas when you look at Avalanche and when you look at Solana, these have already been getting big investments in them, okay? We've already seen those start to move, and we always talk about this kind of altcoin season, example of a fondue fountain. What happens is Bitcoin runs up, and then those Bitcoin profits start pouring into Ethereum. That's what we just saw. Now Ethereum starts running up, as Ethereum profits start running into the other major coins. Then those run up, and then those profits start coming down into the rest of the top 100. Those run up, now it's free for all altcoin season. We've only seen this a couple times in history. So I don't know if that is what we're actually going to see. But what I can tell you is that there's a lot at stake here. As you guys know, I always say the word stake when I'm about to do a stake promotion, which I'm going to do right now. Guys, the Armstrong Crypto X channel is powered by stake. I got a new tattoo too. I can't wait to show you guys, but it's not stake. Guys, stake is the world's largest social casino. Fun games, chat. It's all there. Just go buy some gold coins, get some stakes cash, play some games, win, have fun. Sounds like a plan. QR code on the screen, the link in the description. Make sure to sign up for your account today. Armstrong Crypto X is powered by stake. Now, when Bitcoin runs up, it certainly is an exciting thing. But when Ethereum starts running, these altcoins start to run, this is when the general public really starts coming in, because the average person, they think they've already missed the gains on Bitcoin, so they get excited about these altcoins like Ethereum or Cardano or XRP because of that number of X's they think that they could do for their lives. People are always looking for that next big come up because life is hard and because the economy is not great and the world traditional finance system is flawed and it forces us to lose. And so people are always looking for big gains. And that's why altcoins do really well in these bull markets, because the big Bitcoin people are the ones that start taking those profits. And they're the ones that actually start making these other coins run. And then when these coins start to run, that's when people get in them. And it'd be better if they did the research and were in them ahead of time. You guys know a lot of the coins that I like. Cardano, or ADA, obviously. XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Aptos, Sui, Algorand. These were like my main coins of the year. Maybe I'm missing one. I think those are my main coins of the year in the top 100. And then they all have a lot of upside. This is where I would really start putting the profits in first. And then once those coins start running, that's when you start looking at these other altcoins. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for an exit strategy video. Definitely something I think I want to do is a series after we get done with our Bitcoin halving series, where we start showing you guys how to maneuver in this market. We talk about the coins, we talk about some basic strategies, but really showing you guys how to maneuver in this market and constantly be adding gains. And I'm really excited as I come back from my fight next week. I'm really focused on this week. I'm making hardly any videos. And I think the thing is I really want to start focusing on doing crypto. Not talking about crypto, doing crypto. We're gonna start doing a lot more members only live streams where we're gonna go into ecosystems. We're gonna have a sweet day where if you're a member, you get to come hang out. You can join the, 99 cents to join, or I don't know what it is, $2.99. Yeah, check out the numbers. Hit join on the channel page if you want to check it out. And we're gonna start doing these a lot in the afternoons because I want to use these as time for experts in those coins to come hang out with us and talk about those ecosystems and show me where we can go so we can learn how to use the DEXs and the wallets and the yield farming and the staking and all of this, the NFTs, the gaming on all of these different ecosystems. And I think that's something we're going to play around with. We're just going to play with crypto in the afternoons on my channel, and I'm really excited about it. And then maybe what we can do is maybe I can have someone clip parts of those and throw those on the channel. That could solve a lot of video issues actually. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, smash the like button on your way out. Comment below what you think this guy's name is. Be blessed.